Oh boy! Just kidding, I am just kidding. We're not doing that here. But today we got a big surprise for you guys. Actually, huge surprise. About 6:30 in the morning, it's super early. The sun is just now starting to come over the horizon. We got about a 2.5 hour drive. We're not gonna waste any time. We got one stop to make along the way, so I'll pick you guys up at stop number 1. Let's get it.
Sometimes I get stoned in my backyard, lay off in the tall grass so my view is the stars. I think about nothing, get to clear my thoughts from all the thunder and lightning, so I feel a spark. Sometimes I get higher than the
Oh man, just got to stop number 1. We're at Miller's house, dog. Miller's helping me out today. We're driving all big red, side by side, looking fresh out here, dog. Is that some Utah snow? Dude, MCPG, he's been traveling the block lately. Ride red. Anyway, let's go see what old Millsy's doing. There he is. Dude, fresh hat.
Fresh hoodie.
What up, dog? Are you ready for this?
Ready to spend some money?
Dude, I'm ready, man. We got the trailer hooked up.
Did we have the trailer hooked up? But yeah, this is the angle my truck's gonna be sitting at.
A little lean to it.
I forgot Kyle had my drop hitch.
You mean you forgot you had Kyle's drop hitch?
Yeah, that's right. There you go.
Dude, it's chilly.
It's a little nipply outside, dude. Nipply, can we lift this? Oh yeah.
Okay, Don. You don't know drop hitch.
Nah, it'd be alright.
Look how buttery that thing is.
Dude, it's freaking Carolina squad out here, dude. It's gonna ate it off. Ate the paint off because of all this. It's cold.
We got Brittany over here trying to stay warm. You coming? Give you guys a little update. Today, we're buying something new for the channel. And I've been talking to Miller about this for a long time now. I've been dreaming about this for like 10 years now. I'm not gonna tell you guys what it is yet, but we're gonna take you there right now and we're gonna show you. All right, so we'll pick you guys up when we get there.
Sometimes I get higher than the Colorado Rockies, hoping that the county sheriff don't stop me. Like Charlie Daniels said, you shouldn't smoke at dough. But damn it, I can't help, I love Rolling Stone. With the windows rolled down and the radio up, sweet tea full in my solo cup, listening to the humming of the 44, sounding like a concert. I'm a beat up door, arm hanging out the window, smiling a wave, smoking on some ground where the cattle graze. Charlie Daniels said you shouldn't go smoke at dough. Hell, I can't help, I love Rolling Stone.
Well, boys, looks like we made it.
Yes, sir. It looks like something, but I don't know. It looks like open.
Buddy's about to take out some barbed wire before we even get there.
I ain't
Sign this guy up for a new truck. You go this way, or we can go this way.
I think I can back the trailer pretty quick. Holy shit, dude, you better document this shit, boy. Need some fuel? I see a mini truck.
I see a mini truck.
We're in the right spot. I was getting sketched out.
Oh, buddy!
Oh my gosh.
Dude, we've hit the mother load!
Take your pick, Jake. Take your pick. Dude, that thing's bitching. I'm about to get that. I'm about to bring
Talk about a lineup, hey?
Ooh.
Dude.
I feel like we've like come into like a cornfield with like all the the people standing there.
Well, guys, we just got to Mayberry. What is it? It's Mayberry Mini Truck. We just pulled in this long dirt road, and it seems like we were going forever and not finding nothing. We were honestly kind of curious if we were gonna hear banjos or get shot, but boys, we made it. Dude, and we got the mother load. I got trucks stacked out here for days. So yeah, guys, we're getting a mini truck on the channel. That's the big surprise. We just pulled up. We're gonna go in here and talk to some people. We're gonna look at these mini trucks. Jesus!
Holy shit. Do we go down there?
Yeah.
250?
Dude, fresh dirt bikes?
Oh, that old Ford's pretty sick. Oh, the old 240D.
Ooh.
Oh, the Z06.
Tucked away. We got riders. Where are we?
Oh my God.
There's more. Oh yeah, that's Brittany's dream car right there. I'll take a look at that later. Holy! Dude, I don't know about you, but I got a full hard on right now.
Where do I park?
Just park it right here. Oh! Well, boys, we finally made it to Mayberry Mini Truck. And judging off their website, they had, looks like maybe 20 trucks. There is 100 trucks here. So I am super excited and we're gonna get to looking. Taking it home already?
Go ahead with it.
Yo, what you bad self? The Puss Whisperer. Brand new 2023s. Dialed in. First look.
Oh, this is Subaru.
Subi? Ooh, keys are in them, bro.
That one's pretty nice.
Oh.
Okay, but dude, you know how much gas mileage you could get out of this?
Bro.
This is gonna be the day.
Dude, just trade the Subi in, dog. All the options. Get the Joy Pop. Get you a Joy Pop, bro. Eco Drive, Clean Earth.
Bro.
Pop the trunk.
Dude.
The seats fold down and everything, bro. You could get 2-3 pit bikes in this thing, no problem.
Oh,
Brittany's gonna trade in the Honda with these bad boys here.
she said just knock.
Inside of this one's pretty clean, I'm telling you.
Dude, you might be able to fit a pit bike down with these.
Oh, let's see what we got. 100%.
Have you ever driven left-hand, right-hand drive?
Dude, I can barely drive right-hand drive.
Oh, well, I'm pulling it on the trailer. You're gonna end up in the bed of my truck.
Dude.
All right, whoa. Okay, you're not buying this one.
Is that how it works? Dude, keys are in it, bro.
All right, cut it off.
Like, look at this thing, dude. Oh, no way. No way. Where's Brittany at? Where's Burnout Britt in the cut when you need her?
Burnout Britt.
Dude, look at the interior, bro. It's spotless.
Lost my cat.
This thing's crispy, dude. Subaru soundbar.
Dude.
Little key van.
Dude, this thing would be freaking fun.
Maybe the MC Production Garage, new moto rig.
Dude, that'd be way better than like a 1500.
You're a big pit bike guy now.
I'm a big pit bike guy.
Fold down seats. This one's got cup holders.
Dude,
the seats in this thing are buttery. Rear heater.
How much is this one?
Probably 11.2.
That's not
bad, dude. That's not
27,000 miles. I will own one of these one day, for sure.
Name on it.
We saw the one with the double.
And hey, is she with
That's
you?
my girlfriend.
Okay.
She's loving a van. That's like, she's dying.
I just want the van.
There's a nasty Subaru over there, baby.
It's nice.
It
The
is
Get
light
chips on this one.
It is nice. The Subaru van, it's 4-wheel drive too.
Yeah.
Oh, dude, that's kind of sick.
So this, okay. So here's
Check out the
an
wheels on this
example
one, bro. This one's set up.
of one that is sold.
Oh, come on.
Yeah.
I'll pay more. I mean, all right, so I basically know I want to get one. It's just a matter of walking around and finding that part.
Finding the one you want.
When I want to, like to test drive a couple of them.
No
How does
problem.
that go? How does
So
that work
just
out?
do this.
When I find the one I want to look at, do I need to come try and talk to you and we'll go right
You go
around?
like this. You and your buddy
Okay.
take this down,
All right.
put it there. Make sure it's in neutral. Pump the gas a couple times.
That's so funny.
And now it's just a matter of you guys going up the road, coming back down. 4-wheel drive, you
So
push
you don't
that
mind if
button.
we just take it up the gravel road right here?
Yes,
Okay,
that's
cool.
totally fine.
Cool.
So, but the only rule is don't wreck it.
Absolutely.
So, you know,
Pretty good math to live by.
we're pretty.
Break it, you buy it, yeah.
Don't wreck it. That's the only rule. All right, guys. If you have any
Sweet,
questions,
thank you.
let me know.
Awesome, man. I appreciate it.
The van.
They have a pimpin' van down there. I'm not talking about this one. Down there is a pimping. I'm talking like top notch.
Brand new.
Yeah, like they said they'd take 6 for the Honda. I've already talked to them.
Just take one up there.
Oh yeah, I thought about that too. Yeah, let's just take one up there. Let's just test drive this one. First test drive? Fine if we do. Gas a couple times.
Carburetors. Dude, that thing sounds hilarious. It'd be alright.
Oh, there we go. We got a little stickiness in there.
Well, she can't get in the other side. E-brake. Don't stall it. Jake. It's his first time. No, I'm just kidding. There you go. There you go. Look at this thing. This is hilarious.
Horn work.
Alright. Send it. Let's do it. Oh, Jake. Jake. Oh yeah, there you go, bud. Oh my god, this is bumpy back here. It honestly doesn't ride too bad, to be completely honest. Oh, I want this Corolla hatch so bad. Don't go in the mud. Drop me off in the I want to see this Corolla.
Which one? This one?
Yeah. Yeah, look at this thing. Sweet.
This thing is awesome.
Buddy rode the clutch a little bit, maybe alright.
Dude, it's hard, bro. It's
Yeah,
like
look at this.
it's not the easiest.
Oh, I want this car so bad.
We'll let this one warm up a little.
Toyota Sprinter automatic.
Ooh, right-hand drive, bro.
Dude, there a key? Oh, there's not a key. There's a key. $9,200.
Dude, check the pipe. Give it some pepper.
Is there a pipe on it?
Oh yeah.
Oh my God, no way. Ready?
Oh yeah. Buddy.
I have to get one. This is cool.
You need the manual though.
Yeah.
Right-hand drive manual.
Let's find a manual.
Right-hand drive RAV4.
Hi. Oh man. Oh my God, that's weird.
Right?
Oh, clutch is way too easy. You don't even need to press the gas at all. Oh.
I'm in mini truck heaven. No AC in this one. What do you think?
I think the vans are way cooler.
Oh, this thing is awesome! Oh, this thing is pimping! Is that a little trail? I wonder if we can go try the off-road capabilities of this bad boy. It honestly rides pretty good. Don't you think? First thoughts.
I think the vans are way cooler, but
I mean, maybe. I understand you think the vans are cool. But as far as the mini truck goes, what do you think about the mini truck? First thoughts, because you never rode in one, right?
right.
Who else's mini truck have you rode in?
I've never been in a mini truck.
All right. I'm gonna go look at all these other ones that are right here while I'm up here.
What is this, a lift gate?
No way!
Yeah, it literally is. That's pretty cool.
Dude, I like the gray, bro.
It comes with oil. This, you don't want this one. This one's shot. It doesn't say a price.
I kind of want to drive one of these Suzukis. I don't know that I want the Suzuki. I think after seeing how many Subis that they got, I think that's going to be probably what I end up getting. On paper, it just seems too good. But I still want to drive them all.
Alright, let's head back down. Dude, you need one, dude.
I need one.
I need a Corolla.
So this one might have been one of the ones that I was looking at.
Yeah.
In my price range.
There's another Subaru.
The one that I was, a couple of these that were in this price too, like this right here. Like, dude, I can live with that. I can fix that with some Bondo. You keep coming back to it.
I need a Corolla wagon, dude.
So the first one we looked at was, it was right in the ballpark of what I'm trying to spend. It had a couple things like these little sunshades were cracked. Body on it was clean, but he was saying it had a little bit of an idle issue. And so he didn't want to sell it to us. He wanted to pull it back into the service shop, which is respectable, I get it. But leaves me with looking for other options. This one only has this one little blim here, but this might be option number 2, man. It's still a Subi, 4-speed, 5-gear. Interior is honestly in a little better shape. The button sticks a little, but completely honest with you, it probably just needs to be taken off and honestly just cleaned up and greased up. This is a little rough. We can clean that up. Overall, seats are in, you know, we got a couple minor tears, but I'm not really so concerned about the seats, right? All this stuff's gonna come out. This one's in the range, dude. Not very much damage. Like, this is minor, man. We'll buff that out, paint it. Body's in good shape, bed's in good shape. Dude, this might be the one, man. We might have finally found the mini truck. So we're gonna go down here, we're gonna go talk to the guy, find out what his bottom dollar is. And then we're probably gonna load this thing up, take it back to the house, go have some fun with this thing, take it off road, and start the chronicles of the mini truck.
Paperwork, all done.
Bill of sale.
Oh yeah.
Title, power guide, damage disclosure statement, and North Carolina safety inspection.
There you go.
Dude,
It's
dialed
inspected.
in.
We're good.
Dude, if you need a mini truck, Mayberry Mini Trucks.
There you go.
They will make it easy peasy, super nice, really friendly.
Yeah, you get to see
And
their whole. It's a nice house.
Tony will show you his collection. That is, you're gonna like it. So,
It's huge.
Mayberry Mini Trucks, come see him. New unit. Got all these options.
Bud, pull her on up. Buddy got the Subaru. This thing's itching, man. Oh!
Dude, no problem.
Say right there's perfect. Dude, got plenty of room on there.
Dialed in, dude.
Leave her.
Let's go.
Gosh.
Pepper test? Good thing we already bought it.
This thing's sweet. Congrats, man. That's so sick. Heck yeah. This is awesome.
We just got the deal done. Miller's helping me get this thing loaded up right now, and we're gonna take it back home. So I'll pick you guys up whenever we get there and enjoy this sweet montage of our brand new mini truck.
The only poison I've had is IV. The only man I fear is God. No snakes can make me run now, 'cause I've been bit by a moth. No bug can stare me down, no neighbor can shut me up. I'm off the grid and I'm off my rocker. I'm off in the holler, so we them holler boys. Holler if you needed something done. Holler if you need a chip on the shoulder and a hand with a loaded gun. We'll be out that screen door, no shirt on, leaving two black marks down a one-way road. Yeah, we them holler. The only fight I've ever been in was taking up for somebody else. The only time I got my jaw jacked is never, but damn sure not quite yet. The times I miss the most are the times nobody knows. When it was me, my cousin, and a couple of my buddies racing down old Sam's Creek Road. We them holler boys, holler if you need it.
Well, boys, we just made it back to Miller's house. Camera died, so we're on the phone right now. But that's pretty much gonna do it for today's video. We went and scooped this bad boy up. Mayberry Mini Truck, awesome people. Go check them out if you're in the market for a mini truck. And stay tuned because we got a lot of exciting content coming for this thing. And dude, I'm stoked. Miller, what do you think about it? What are your thoughts, man?
I love
It's gonna be awesome, dude. I can't wait till like we're side by side riding. Me, you, Kyle, Scott, and all of our other friends, dude.
Yeah.
I can't wait to just hit the trail. Dude, we got Rick, bro.
Dude.
We're on trail now.
Yes, sir.
So don't forget to like, subscribe. We got a lot of big things coming. We got a lot of units coming to the channel. We're also getting rid of a lot of units. So stay tuned for all that. We'll catch you guys on the next one.
Of a farmer's joy, we them holler boys. Holler if you're needing something done. Holler if you need a chip on a shoulder.